Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Friday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 7th of June 2024. US Dow Jones rose 0.20%, settling the day at 38,886.17 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,170.64, falling 0.10%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,614.02 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,562.48. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,902.50, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII sold 6,867.72 in the cash market in the last trading session. Bajaj Finance arm Bajaj HF approves IPO, fresh issue of up to 4,000 rupees crore plus OFS. Tata Chemicals Europe fined £1.1 million by UK court over 2016 safety incident. Wipro gets $500 MN contract from a leading US communication service provider. Now talking about global aspects, non-farm business sector labor productivity rose by 0.2% in the first quarter, which was marginally lower than the preliminary estimate of a 0.3% increase. The trade deficit in the US widened to $74.6 billion in April. The number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US jumped by 8,000 to 229,000, well above market expectations of 220,000. WTI rose 1.9% to $75.50 a barrel, while Brent rose 0.1% to $78.44 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.07. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.29%. Here is a recap of Thursday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, opened positively for the second consecutive day, buoyed by gains in PSU banks. This upward momentum follows the news that Narendra Modi is poised to secure a third term, with two key allies pledging their support to form a government. The markets experienced some volatility throughout the day but ultimately closed with gains of around 1%, with the Sensex settling at 75,074.51 and the Nifty at 22,821.40. The sectoral landscape remained largely positive, although the FMCG and pharma sectors experienced minor profit bookings. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, resistance is anticipated in the 23,000 to 23,100 zone. Breaking this resistance could trigger an uptrend towards the 23,350 to 23,500 levels. Conversely, key support is expected in the 22,600 to 22,500 zone on the lower side. Monitoring these levels will be crucial for understanding the market's direction. The Bank Nifty has encountered strong resistance around the 50,000 level. A breakout above this key psychological threshold could propel prices toward the 50,800 to 51,000. In the short term, support is established at 47,700 to 48,000. A breach below this would be essential to negate the prevailing trend. Stocks on radar are Metropolis, ABFRL, Power Grid, Laurus Lab, Exide Industries. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.